Okay, so this is topic 11, lesson 1. Topic 11, lesson 1. You're more than welcome to take notes during this time if you want, because this will be a lesson for 2 days. So basically, topic 11, lesson 1 is multiplying fractions times a whole number, which we have already done. So you guys are really lucky. So the objective for today, I will multiply. Today we'll multiply a fraction and a whole number. And if you hear noises in the background, it's because my sister is doing her makeup. And a whole number. But she doesn't want to show her face. She's embarrassed. Very easy. There is a star idea. So when you go to 6th grade, you'll know that. You'll notice that you're going to be looking at this word a lot. Or using this word a lot. Of. So in math, and I think you already explained this for the benchmark, of means multiplication. So whenever they're asking you, oh, how much is this of this? They're asking you to multiply. So today's lesson and the lesson for Monday, it's going to focus on having you remember that of means multiplication. So I am going to do some examples. I'll do about 3 just so that you guys can practice. And this is my sister's math book. She has to do homework also. So here's my first example. Example 1, find the product. So we are multiplying. Find the product. Our first example will be, find the product, sorry. Find the product. Our first example will be 3 over 4 of 8. So in my head, I know that of means multiplication. So this is what I'm thinking in my head. 3 over 4 times 8. However, 8 is not a fraction. So I can't multiply 3 over 4 nor 8. So what I have to do is rewrite 8 as a fraction, which means that I must place a 1 underneath and now remember, if you recall, when we were doing the benchmark, before the benchmark, I explained that when we multiply fractions, you can multiply straight across. So 3 times 8 is equal to 24. 4 times 1 is equal to 4. And then our very last step is to simplify. And we know that the fraction bar also means division. So here, 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. So 3/4 of 8 is 6. Let me show you another example. Example 2. I miss my Elmo. Example 2. So for example 2, we could do 2/3 of 27. So remember, of means multiplication. So in my head, I'm thinking, okay, well, 2/3 will be multiplied by 27. But 27 is a whole number. It's not a fraction. So I have to rewrite it as 2/3 times 27 over 1. And 27 times 2 is 54, I believe. 54. And I can multiply straight across. Now, you don't have to circle it. The reason why I'm circling it is so that you can remember that we can multiply straight across. horizontally. So 2 times 27 is 54, and 3 times 1 is 3, and 54 divided by 3, I can't do that onto the top of my head, so I'm going to show the work. 3 can fit into 5 3 times, 24, that's 18. So 54 divided by 3 is 18. So in other words, 2/3 of 27 is 18. And let's do example 3. The last example. Now remember, this is our first day practicing. Most of our lessons are going to be 2 days long. And thank you, Emily and Lisa, for doing your work on time. Edward, you forgot to do IXL. So did you, Antonio. And Amelia, where are you? And Isabella and Valerie. So let's see. Example 3. Let's do another one. Let's find... I'm thinking. 1/7 of 28. Again, basically what I'm doing in my head, I'm thinking, okay, well, I know of means multiplication. So 1/7 times 28. 28 is a whole number, cannot be multiplied by a fraction. So I have to rewrite 1/7 times 28 over 1. Now I can multiply straight across. 28 times 1 is 28, and 7 times 1 is 7. I have to simplify this because this is an improper fraction. The division, the fraction bar can also mean division, can also mean, dividing, that we might divide. So 28 divided by 7 is 4. So 1/7 of 28 is equal to 24. And that's about it. This is the first lesson that you guys are going to do with me from home. So I am going to assign textbook work. So textbook work you will have to do for now, and then I'll put more on my website. So for now, you'll do textbook, page 252, 1 through 4. And just 1 through 4. And then that's about it for now. And then I'll put up more on the website. Okay? Take care, you guys. I miss you all.